Hey, Dana here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. Now, this is Project Escape. What you're looking at is the O3 Board Escapes subframe.
That is a subframe crack he found, and that entails your swing arm is going through there. Front part of your swing arm going through there.
What are you doing, Dana?
Your lower mount goes through there, right here.
I don't want to be on your video. What happens if you do something like this?
I gotta edit it out. What's wrong with you? That'll make a good video next year. Huh?
Let's go. Alright. You find a subframe for it? I got one on back.
Do you in that other one?
I don't know.
You look good on this side. Unfortunately, you only need one side.
Alright, let's get the next one in here. Where'd you buy these wild trail terrains?
Let's see. Got them from. Where the heck did you get them? I didn't get them, but I don't know whether they're gonna fail it or not on that.
Alright, what are we gonna do, John, for that solid?
Alright. Okay. That's what he found. Major, as far as that's concerned, because that holds your full motor. Get your motor mount. Holds the engine in place. Got your suspension arms. Goes through here. Wow. Not gonna be nice. That's what happens. What's going on up there? Alright. Stay tuned for that one.